Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza dough easy. First, gather your ingredients: warm water, active dry yeast, all-purpose flour, olive oil, sugar, and salt. Ensure your water is between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit to properly activate the yeast. Accurate measurements are key for a consistent dough texture. This simple approach ensures a delicious homemade pizza every time. Now let's mix and knead. In a large bowl, combine the warm water, yeast, and a pinch of sugar, letting it sit for 5 minutes. Then add the flour, salt, and olive oil. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it onto a floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, giving your crust its chew. After kneading, it's time for the dough to rise. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, turning it once to coat, then cover it with plastic wrap. Let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 1.5 hours, or until it has doubled in size. Gently punch down the risen dough, then divide and shape it into your preferred pizza crust thickness. Finally, let's bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit with a pizza stone or baking steel inside for at least 30 minutes. Carefully transfer your shaped dough to the hot surface. Add your favorite toppings, then bake for 8 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Enjoy your homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.